everybody, it's Gail from The Happy Stamper and thehappystamper.com. I have a process video for you today, and today I'm using the really pretty stamp set, Dandelion Wishes. I've been just itching to get this out and play with it, and I think the images are beautiful. So I've got a really pretty fun card. You can change it up with any colors that you like or are your favorite. But this, coming off of the 4th of July weekend, made me think of fireworks. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. And this is the card. I just love it. I found it on Pinterest. It was, I've altered it a little bit. And today, instead of using this image, I am going to use the one with the blowing dandelion. But this made me think of fireworks, and I just love it. And you can change it up with whatever colors you like. This would have been cute doing red, white, and blue. I am using the Grapefruit Grove, and I'll give you all those that information as we go through it. So let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this a thumbs up if you like this video. But if you subscribe, it is free, and you will get all of my latest up-to-date videos and information. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so my card is what's known as a landscape card, kind of like portrait style, and this card's going to open this way. Now what this is it's one of our standard 8.5 by 11 sheets of cardstock that is simply cut at 4 1/4, and then I fold that in half. So we're going to end up with a card, a standard A2, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then I've got my strip of lovely lipstick. This is 4 1/4 by 5/8. I'm going to set that just to the side. Blueberry bushel, same size, 4 1/4 by 5/8. And then this piece where my sentiment is going to go is 2 by 4 1/4, and that's going to go down here, but I'm going to attach those last. I'm going to first start with my stamping. And I've got my Grapefruit Grove all ready to go here. I'm also using Blueberry Bushel and Lovely Lipstick. Now stamping, it's easier to get the image starting with the lightest. So that's why I'm starting with the Grapefruit Grove. And I'm kind of going off the page, you know, nothing too perfect, if you will, centered on the page. It just looks a little bit nicer if things are kind of hanging off. So I've just cleaned off my stamp, and I am done with the Grapefruit Grove, so I can put that away. Next, I'm going to come in with Lovely Lipstick, and I am just getting my ink pads nicely opened. They're a little hard still, but I'm getting there. It's so pretty. I love it. Let's see, where am I going to put this one? Let's do that one right there. All right, and you want to make sure to clean this off really well in between the changing of your colors. All right, so that is Lovely Lipstick, and my fingers are so full of ink, it's terrible. Okay, now we're going to come in with Blueberry Bushel. All right, and let's get that stamped up, and I think that'll look good. Let's do one this way. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I'm going to come off the page a little bit there, and maybe I'll leave it like that. Not quite so full. I think that looks good. All right, so I'm going to also, while I have this Blueberry Bushel out, I'm just going to kind of line this up where I would like it, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment. And I want to make sure I always practice first, because I have stamped upside down, so practice on your paper, and it says, I made a wish and you came true. Super sweet. So that's going to go there. And that's it for our stamping. So let's put this cute card together. All right. So I'm going to start by putting my hello Tessa. Miss Tessa is here. She's so funny. She's a silly pup. That's right. We're going to start by putting this card together. And I'm going to add a little extra tape around the edges. And that's our adhesive snail runner, which is one of my favorites. Don't mind my girl. She's over there playing. She's playing. She's a hoot. And I'm going to put that closest to it, and I'm going to put that one there. I'm super excited. I have reactivated my website and everything, so you can order from there. I'll have a hostess code posted on my website in the top right hand corner. I'll also add it down in the description bar below this video, where you can get all sorts of information and links and whatnot. So yeah, I'm excited. And I am in the process of revamping my free kits with purchase. So I've got, a couple ideas in mind. And so, yeah. But I definitely want to incorporate at least one project in each monthly kit that's a paper pumpkin one. You'll have to substitute the stamp set and use something similar that you have in your stash. But it's really a great monthly kit to receive. So I am making a bow now. I'm using 3 of our thin ribbons. This is Blueberry Bushel, Lovely Lipstick, and Grapefruit Grove. And what I like to do is just have them together, and I don't know why, but I can kind of feel like if I have enough or if I don't have enough. So I can't give you an exact measurement here, but you'll be able to feel it. And I just twist them all together, holding on to them. Hold the phone. Okay. I'm doing this kind of left-handed, if you will. All right. There we go. All right. Gotta pull that up a little bit. Oh, I'm going to have a lot of waste here, but that's okay. I want to show you how I make these cute bows. All right. So I'm just going to snip that and snip that. And then I just kind of rumple it a little and pull it apart. So it's very colorful. You could use just one color too if you wanted to. I like doing the 3 and making it a little bit puffier of a bow, like so. And you could save those and use them for another project. All right, and I'm going to use our adhesive dots. If I can get this open. And I'm going to use 2 because this is a little bit thicker than usual. And then I'm just going to adhere that on the side. I'm going to trim this side just a skosh more. Just a skosh. Like so. And that's it. That's a super simple card, but it's so festive and summery and fun. I just love it. Love it, love it. And I love the cute bow. And my little sign is falling here. Okay, so there you have it, you guys. Very festive, very summery, and ready to say thank you to someone special. And that's just the way it is when you want to send cute handmade cards. So thank you so much for visiting with the Happy Stamper today. Again, this is using Dandelion Wishes, a beautiful stamp set that's in our current catalog, and also using Blueberry Bushel, Grapefruit Grove, and lovely lipstick. Beautiful colors. Super duper fun. So there you have it, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for visiting with the Happy Stamper. And as always, great big hugs from me to you. And you'll find links to everything down below in the description box. And please make sure to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.